Pickwickian embroidery is based on the art of Anton Pieck. It is romantic and shows the simplicity of life in the 19th century. Pickwickian means strange, not normal, and it's named after a character in Charles Dickens's book The Pickwick Papers from 1836. To begin this video, we will show you how to embroider the whip using a combination of stitches you've seen in our previous videos. We will finish the whip with the colonial stitch. Start with the chain stitch using 2 threads. You can see this stitch in more detail in our second Anton Pieck video, Spring, Tulips and Organ. Partway up the handle of the whip, as it becomes thinner, switch to the stem stitch. This is shown in our first Anton Pieck video, Pieck on the Bicycle. The end of the whip is worked with the back stitch, and you can watch this again in video 2, Spring, Tulips and Organ. Use the whipped running stitch with 1 thread in a lighter shade of jet to add detail to the entire length of the whip. You can see the whipped running stitch in more detail in the first video, Pieck on the Bicycle. Put the needle 3/4 through the fabric and wrap the thread loosely 4 times around. Then pull the thread through the loops, while keeping the loops close to the fabric with your thumb. The colonial stitch is similar to the bullion stitch, which is also called a French knot. These stitches are often used interchangeably. Sometimes the stitch forms too far from the fabric. You can fix that by loosening the thread at the back and securing it again. See you next time, when we'll show you how to make the feston stitch in the 5th Anton Pieck embroidered scene, Pieck on the Rooftop. We will also show you how to use watercolour pencils in the background of this scene. You can buy the Anton Pieck images printed on fabric at Quiltshop 100 Roses in Deventer and at quiltwebshop.nl. If you want to be inspired by others who are also creating beautiful Pickwickian embroidery, join our Facebook group.